Your school probably has many different ways to notify students and staff throughout your facilities when necessary. Things like voice paging, intercom, bells, strobe lights, and digital signage that are used to notify many at once. You probably also have ways to notify individuals one at a time, like pop-ups on a computer, text messages, two-way radios, and email. All of these, whether intended to reach one or many, are known as endpoints. Multiple endpoints are crucial to ensure that you can reach as many people as possible when you need to. The trouble is that different endpoints require different inputs to do this. For example, paging and intercom speakers usually require someone to speak into a phone or microphone, or take some other action to play a pre-recorded message. Bells require some sort of bell scheduler or trigger. Two-way radios require a base station, and the others require some sort of software-driven input or trigger. In an emergency, these multiple processes can be extremely confusing and chaotic. It can also take a lot of time, which is usually not available in an emergency. But what if you could send notifications to all of your different endpoints instantly with single-click simplicity? That's exactly what Valcom's IP6000 can do. By implementing our browser-based solution, you can streamline your internal communications for emergencies and day-to-day activities. IP6000 also gives you the capability to receive and disseminate messages from external sources, like the National Weather Service and FEMA. But that's not all. IP6000 even gives you the ability to simplify notifications across multiple schools or your entire district. If you're ready to take your notification infrastructure to the next level with one-click simplicity, Valcom is here to help. Contact us today to learn if IP6000 is the right solution for your school.